ipapakita ko sa inyo yung nasa fridge namin. Ayan. Yung, I mean sa freezer. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan, paubos na yung chicken namin. Saka itong ano. Itong mga ano dito guys, yung mga nilagay ko ng mga ayan, konti na lang din. Itong mga mince, lamb mince. Saka chicken mince, konti na lang din. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan. Mga mince yan. Ayan guys. Ayan, puno na yung ice namin. Magagawa kami ng halo-halo. Ayan guys, yung unang fridge namin. Ayan. Tapos yung second freezer namin guys. Ayan. Yung second freezer. Ayan guys. Ito pala yung unang ano, fridge namin. Ayan, yung fridge namin dyan. Ayan guys. Yan ang laman ng first fridge namin. Ito naman guys, yung second freezer namin. Ayan, if you see before the whole lamb, and that's only left. See, this is the, it's not only, this is beef. Not a lot of lamb anymore because this one is oxtail, and that's the leftover of the lamb. That's sausage, ano, sausage, beef sausage. Ayan, beef sausage guys. So that's only we have a leftover. This is a second freezer. Ayan, the old one. So because of this warranty, we possibly at lockdown, we possibly throw away this one because old one, but we decide to keep it instead because so we have a storage. It's still working guys. Yes son. Now guys, this is we're gonna make a barbecue today. That one. So the chicken wings, and also a lamb. Of course, that's the right to the barbecue. That's our. This is for Saturday. Saturday this one. Yeah. So, and guys, look at this. All my stuff over there. And now my son, he just bought it yesterday. I went to the shopping for our barbecue, and look, it's ready, the Coca-Cola. Yeah, that's we buy a lot of cheese guys because every weekend my daughter-in-law make what's it called, pancake, and the children love pancake. Ayan. So, and of course the cheese, we always have a lot of cheese. What's it called, eggs. What? Yeah.